What's up, Glam Squad? It's Glamorous TT, and today I'm going to be doing a wig review. This is my very first wig review, and this is my very first wig, you guys. I am like a wig newbie, okay? It is a headband wig. All of the information will be in the description box below because I don't really know it by heart like I should, which is a bad thing, but then again, I am a wig newbie. So the wig that I have is from Luvme hair, and it came, I don't have the box or anything, which I wish I never threw it away, but yeah. So the box, it came in a regular, like a shoe box type of thing. I don't even know where to start. Like, should I show you this, or should I show you the wig first, or should I tell you about the wig? Okay, I'm gonna tell you about the wig. So the wig I got is a jerry curl. I think it's called deep jerry curl. But it's very kinky, curly headband wig. And I got it in, I think, 24 inches. But it came with this cute little bag. It says Love Me hair on it. And it also came with this, which is like for your edges. You put it on, which is cute. I never really owned this. I just usually put on a bandana or something like that with this little bag pouch. So I'm kind of embarrassed to show you this wig because she's a little bit dry, because I never worn her out. I just tried her on, and then I pitched her somewhere, you know. I just kind of pitched her on my shelf and left her there. I didn't really maintain it or nothing. So this is how she looks. She's looking kind of rough, like, oh my gosh, she looks very rough on the camera, but I promise you she's very beautiful. So this is the hair. And one thing I'm going to explain before I even put it on, when I bought this wig, I didn't really do my research. I did read some reviews, and I did watch a YouTuber who bought the wig, and she looked amazing. Like, when I tried on this wig, excuse my dog, she might be barking in the back, you might hear her. I didn't know if I had to pick a size, and I really don't remember if headband wigs have sizes, but I know like full lace wigs have sizes, and I know that my head is really big. Even without all of this hair, I have a big head. So I tried this wig on, and it's small, like the cap is small, so it is a struggle to put this wig on. So I'm gonna put it on off camera and fix it up, and then come back on to show you guys the wig. This is the hair. I know it's looking like one side longer than the other, but this is the hair without any headband. So I don't have no headband, and right now I don't have really like no product in the hair. This is just how the headband wig looks. It looks kind of lopsided right now. Let me try to do my best to fix it. But like I said, I have a big head, so it's not even coming off like it could fit my head, you know? And I know it's not supposed to fit like right here, but you know, you have the little baby hairs out, whatever, but I just feel like this makes my head look even more bigger. So I'm gonna put on this headband and show you how it looks with the headband. Oops. Where is the front of this headband? Or is it supposed to just go like this? Maybe it's supposed to go like that. Okay, so that's the headband, and this is the wig. Okay, you guys, I don't know if it's just me, but I just feel like I look funny with this wig. I feel like I need to comb it out more. Like, when it came, you guys, I wish I never like Oh, I'm touching up the mic. I wish I never really opened the box so you guys could see how it looked fresh out. And I'm only saying that because when it came in the box, the curls, it wasn't fluffed out like this. It was like very, very thin. Like the hair was like thin. It was tightly coiled. And I was like, at first I really didn't like it. Like I really didn't like the hair. But then I took a comb and I think I took a denim brush and I started to brush through it, but the hair wasn't it wasn't wet enough. So I feel like that's why this is like kind of like uneven. And plus I just left it there. Like I didn't bother it. I didn't water it, nothing. Which I put myself in this position because like I have this, you know, similar curl pattern and I don't like to deal with my hair. So it's like, why would you buy a wig and you don't like to comb hair, and then you gotta comb the wig hair? Like, another side note is I don't have a wig head, so it's like I have to have the wig on my head to comb it out, which is just giving me very much, girl, just rock your real hair. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to doctor it up and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, so don't click out, don't click out. So I'm back and it looks extremely better. I know myself, I know me, I'm going to cut it eventually, like to shape it, but I'm gonna rock it like this for now. But I just wish that it had more, like, I don't know, like it just needs, I guess, let me not rush, I guess it needs to dry out to shrink up a little bit, but I just think it needs a little bit more shape. Like it's so uneven. I feel like I'm gonna cut that off. I want to cut it off, but I want it to dry. But yeah, so if you hear a dog, that's my neighbor's dog. I'm so sorry. I guess I'm expecting a little bit too much because the girl that I seen on YouTube, her hair was giving me very much volume. It was giving me pretty much life. Like, she inspired me to get this wig, and this was the video that I saw. Let me see if it's gonna, this one. You see how her wig is? Mine's is not doing that, and I got the same exact wig as her. So I'm not sure if she did cut it. In the video she didn't show anything, she didn't show any like cutting or anything, so I don't know. I did the exact same thing she did, which was come on. I hope I don't get in trouble for this, but yeah, I'm doing pretty much the same. I did the same thing she was doing, so I don't know. The length of my hair, everything will be in the bottom. I got the hair fairly cheap. I got it on a sale actually, so I didn't really pay the full price because I used two different. It was my first time buying a wig, which they gave me a % off. Then they were already having a sale on the original price, and I went in and put her discount code, which was 20% off. Hair feels very nice. It's a nice hair, like it's really good quality. I just, you know, I was expecting more from it, and the cap doesn't really go good with people who have big heads or who have a lot of hair. And you know, I guess if I braid my hair, like cornroll it, it'll probably fit better, but I have a naturally big head, so I should explain to you guys what I use. So I use mousse, I use a little bit of eco gel, and I use some water in a spray bottle, and I use this Y2 Chrome and this denim brush, which has all the hair. Like, this is all the hair that came off of this wig. That's all of the hair. Y'all, I low-key like heard somebody screaming just now. I don't know whether to be scared or mind my business. I have two more wigs that one more headband wig, and like a hair piece that I got from Luvme hair. So be on the lookout for those two. You guys, I'm not a hair guru. I don't like to do my hair. Let me give you guys a side. side to side and never really gave you. Let me go closer. You guys, I don't want to do this too much because it's not secure. Like, for anybody who is testing out wigs, or you know, like me, this is my first time ever buying a wig, you know, wanted to explore, I would say this is my go-to. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you on the next video. Peace.